Hi guys, we're gonna show you how to connect your reverse camera to a Blackspider car radio. It's an Android radio, so it's a BSM 102DD. So to do that, we're gonna show you we need a camera and cables like this. Okay, it's fine. Now we're starting this. We're gonna pull out this guy. Okay. Okay, there's gonna be a cable called back. You see, it's written back, right? This one. This is its color. So once you have that cable, sometimes you need to get testers. We went into issues whereby we connected one of our cameras here. You see, this is the reverse camera. Is this the reverse camera? Yes, but we didn't have, there was no, that cable was, so you need to connect that red cable to this cable. So we want to test the camera if it's working. Okay. Once you're done with that, you can insulate it, like cover it to avoid circuit. Okay. Wow, that's fine. So we are done with that. This is the first thing to do. Once you're done with that, you get this. You can see where it comes from. It comes from here. This cable comes from the first two connectors. So one cable connects on the first, yeah, here. Okay. This, then you plug it in here. Okay, that connection is done. So we're gonna go to the camera side. What about the camera? The camera we have. That camera, we can test with that first.
We need to.
There's a camera we have here. Yeah. You remember, we're gonna test it. I think we're gonna test with that, but yeah. Wanna test if that cable works. Then other things.
The cable will be fine.
Oh, we're gonna be fine.
Yeah,
okay, but show them how to connect here. Okay.
Okay, now I got this one.
You connect that yellow to here. Then
this.
Okay. Okay.
Then at the back. At the back, this one. At the back, this two red goes to reverse wire. This one to earth.
Okay, this one goes to earth, guys. This one goes to the reverse wire. So, okay, so that's it. We're done. We have another camera somewhere. That's why we wanted to show you here. But then once it's connected, we're gonna also show you. Okay. You don't need to take out that, I think. You think so? Okay, it's fine.
Now
We're running that cable, so we want to run that cable. Why don't you test it before?
Okay. I got to test it. We still need that reverse at the back.
Yeah, but after running it, then it doesn't work.
It will work. There's no way. It's a new cable.
Okay. We're gonna run. So he decided to run the cable before that. So the connection here is fine. So I can put in. Okay. There's this old cable which we can take out. This old one. We'll take it out after, but let me put it inside here. Okay, I'm gonna put that there. Let me try to on the camera, on the radio to see. Okay, the radio is coming on, it's fine. So it's gonna run his cable there, then after running the cable, then we can proceed. The most important thing is to set up and also connection to the radio and to the reverse camera. That's it. And now guys, we reach on the stage whereby we need to connect the reverse light to the what? To the camera. So when you switch on the reverse gear, it's gonna send a signal to the radio so that it switch on the screen to work that way. So now what you're gonna do, we're gonna run another cable. This cable we're running it just because we want to connect it to the red one. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna tap it here. You can see this is the reverse cable. Can you see this? This is the reverse cable. So I'm gonna tap it here. You see I did take out this guy and connected two of them. You see the black one, because they're gonna be something like earth cable and the live and neutral. You get me? I put red one should go in here on the blue one, because it depends on which car you're driving, but yes, it has to be connected to reverse. But we're gonna do that.
We mount the camera then.
Camera is mounted. You can see. Okay. See here. You can see, guys. Okay. Then we're doing the connection now.
This is the power of the camera. This is the video one. So we just tape them so they won't get loose.
When they lose, when it hits the potholes, it does disconnect. Then you think there's something wrong with the camera, so you lose the image. It happened before. Okay, guys, we're done with that.
On the connection, you see what we do here. Do like this. So the positive on the camera power and this one on the video one, they go together. And it goes to the one going to the
This cable goes to the reverse wire, this one, to bring power. So whenever to trigger, whenever you switch on, you put in reverse, this cable gets to alert the system that no, we're in reverse. Then you can get the screen get switched on. You know, there's no video on Blackview.
So you'll upload it?
Yes.
When I put it on his TikTok page?
Yes, I'll give him. I'll give you the video, put it on TikTok too.
Okay.
But it's big, ne?
Yeah. Just insulate here.
Make sure you insulate all the cables so that you don't get issues. This is a very good thing to do, guys. You need to put tape on that, because
This one.
if you fall into issues.
This one is just 8. Just put this one on 8. Mara, mostly you can leave it like
You can
that,
leave it, yeah.
because already the RCA is power. And I just put it so that we won't have issues as time goes on.
Don't worry about the cable we're putting now. It's not much necessary, but some people do it. So you need to watch the reverse camera, how you tap it onto the reverse cable light. Okay, that's fine.
So now we need to connect to reverse wire.
Yeah, we need to connect now to reverse. Which you can soak it in there. There is a space you can soak it in here. Okay, fine. Now here's the trick. How do you tap it on? So we did. I shouldn't put it. We did tap already. You can see the blue, but it depends on which thing you're using. You see the blue?
Depends with the car.
It depends on the car.
Here on the Hyundai,
Yeah.
it's blue. If you go to VW, it's blue and black. You go to Toyota, it's red. So it depends what the vehicle you are doing.
So that is on blue. You tap it on blue on Hyundai, but other cars also could look different. Get me?
Okay, we can test.
So now we're gonna test before we conclude the video, and also if you have, it's gonna just insulate. We're gonna just have to test the car. Oh, what you do? You put your car in reverse, then you on the car. So it's in parking. Let's wait this to come on. Blackspider. We're waiting for the. Look, I'm gonna put it in reverse. Can you come this side, please? I want you to teach people how to. Okay, I put it in reverse. You can see what we see.
Okay.
It's on already.
So now it's a setting. This one.
So you can see, you say we have a setting issue now. So we're gonna take it out. Show them how to.
We need to set it whilst it's in reverse.
Okay. Say no signal.
So this one is on is we're not sure the camera is it HD or what. Okay, let's try SB PAL. Okay, so this is the one.
Okay. So we did set it. Set it that way.
Boot is open.
The boot is open, that's why it's showing that. But anyway, let's go to car settings. Car settings, when sometimes you can connect everything, but then you didn't do anything on car settings. Remember where you put it, reverse, whatever. So let me take it out. Okay, you go to car settings. Okay, go to car settings. Settings, right? Then you go to general. Okay. There's parking. You leave that. You can see all of these options are on.
Must be off.
Reverse
Reverse mirror
must be off. Okay.
then this beep must be off.
Okay.
Then gestures and video source output, front view mirror, display. Press any key to open the screen. Okay, yes, sorted. Another thing, let's say on factory settings.
On factory setting, the password is 16617. You confirm. You go inside. Then what do you need to touch?
Okay, let's start with setting the logo, boot logo. Then you can search for Hyundai. So that when you switch on the key, it starts with the car logo.
Okay.
So
But
like here,
look for Hyundai. H. If you want to, Hyundai should be there. H. Y or the Ford. This is something if you want you can do, if you don't want you don't do. Lexus. Okay. Nissan. Here's handy. You touch that logo, so when the car starts, it will start with handy, right? Okay.
Successfully set it.
Okay.
Then the logo is fine. Back car setting.
Back car setting, you need to do that.
The camera, ne?
Yeah. So
this one's back car track,
off.
car assist line.
It should be on.
Back car assist line are just on. So even this one you can put it on. It's for the lines.
You can see those 3 options on back car settings. Back car track should be on. Back car assistant line should be on. Back car assistant line adjustment should be on. On that setup, only those things should be on. Simple. When you're done,
save.
when you say you save, after saving,
this radio will restart.
okay. Okay. Okay, that's proper. So guys, I think do they need anything else? You see when it starts, shows handy, right? Yeah, super good. So yeah, it's gonna close, then you see. So guys, I think we are done with this. If you have any question, please ask. So, and we do a couple of cars, so but this one is 100% set. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video. So when it comes back, I'm gonna put my car in reverse. When I put in reverse, you can see it shows, but then the boot is up. That's why you can see that the camera is showing the skies and the trees and stuff. Yeah, thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video.